Rational numbers. Determine whether the following statements are true or false. We have 5 questions here. You can pause the video, copy them, write down your answers, and then look into my suggestions. The first one is minus 5.0 is greater than 0. Is it true or false? Then we have minus 3, 5 over 8 greater than minus 3.58. 4, 1 over 5 equals to 4.5. 8 over 9 is less than 0.8, and minus 2.25 is greater than minus 2.5. Now here is my suggestion. Negative, 0 and positive numbers. On a number line, you know that if we start with 0, then the numbers on the right side are always greater, right? And they are positive to the right of 0 but negative to the left of 0. However, numbers to the right are always greater, right? So that will help us to decide some of these answers. Now the first one is minus 5.0 greater than 0. Minus means it is on the left side of 0, right? So it cannot be greater. The number on the right is greater, and therefore this is false. The next one is minus 3, 5 over 8. It means minus 3 and then 5 over 8. Let's convert that to decimals and then check our answer, right? So if you divide 5 by 8, what do you get? Let's try to do it. So 5 divided by 8. So 5 can't go. So we'll put 0 here, decimal, 0 and decimal. Now 5 times 6 is 48, right? And we get some remainder. So at least this number is 3.6. Now you have to decide whether minus 3.6 is greater than minus 3.58 or not. Correct? We don't have to do further. We already have a number which can help us compare, right? Now that's a tricky one. Minus 3.6 and minus 3.58. So if you look at this number line, let us say this is 3, right? Let us say this is 3. And let us say this is 4 for us. Now 3.5 will be somewhere here in between, right? Let us say there. As we move left, it becomes more higher number with negative sign. So 3.6, let us say, will be here. This will be kind of 3.6. Let me write this position, right? And 3.58 will be kind of here. Now which one is greater? Numbers on the right are greater, correct? This is greater. Therefore, the statement is also false, correct? Remember, numbers on the number line, whichever is on the right side is greater. 3.58 is greater than minus 3.6. I should say minus 3.6 is not greater than but less than minus 3.58, correct? Now the best thing is whenever you have rational numbers, you can convert to decimals to compare. 4, 1 over 5. So it is 4.10 divided by 5, 2, right? 4.2. Is 4.2 equal to 4.5? The answer is false. It is not equal to, right? Likewise, you can do the other questions also. 8 over 9 is less than 0.8. Think like this. 8 over 9 is less than 0.8 means 8 over 10. Now is it true or not? Decide, right? Also check with minus 2.25 greater than minus 2.5. You can pause the video, answer, and then check with my answer, okay? Let me do the last one for you. It is minus 2.25 is greater than minus half means 0.5. 2.5. Now tell me which one is greater. Minus 2.25 will be somewhere here, correct? and minus 2.5 will be on the left. So this is true, correct? This is true. Is it okay? So likewise, you can decide, correct? Now here, which one is greater? 0.8, 8 out of 10, or 8 out of 9, right? Of course, if you take 8 parts out of 9, it is greater, not 8 out of 10, correct? And therefore, this statement is also false. So that is how you can get all your answers. I'd like you to review this video once, understand the concepts, and then move on. Thank you.